So some of you guys are asking me to make video on TikTok monetization, right? So that's the reason why I'm making this video here. So I want to actually tell you guys what are the necessary things that you need in order to get your TikTok monetized. Yeah. So firstly, the first thing you need to understand is that we that are in Nigeria, our TikTok cannot be monetized. Nigerian TikTok cannot be monetized. The only way you can actually make money from your TikTok here in Nigeria is only through live stream. That's why you see a lot of people are going live. And how then do you make money through this live stream? How you make money through live stream is that when you are live, right, and you have a particular topic you are talking about, and the topic is interesting, and somebody can come to your live and feel like, yeah, this thing you are doing is blessing me, and the person will not gift you. And another way you can actually make money through live is through match game. So some people actually play game, they match each other, and how do they win this game? How they win this game is that if this opposite person is actually gifting him more than this person is definitely going to win this person. So in the process of gifting you in order to win this person, those gifts that they are giving you, those roses that they are giving you, can be converted to money, and you can actually withdraw it out, and it will enter your bank account. All right. So another way you can actually make money from TikTok Nigeria is maybe like you posted a video and people gift you through the video, or by brand influencing. Maybe you have a lot of followers, and whenever you post video, you make views. So many brands are going to reach out to you to actually help them to do adverts for their brands, right? So this is how you make money with TikTok Nigeria. So let's talk about TikTok monetization, which is the ones that everybody is talking about, the one that so many people are creating UK accounts for, the one that so many people are creating US accounts for. So basically, the reason why people are creating US account and UK account is that these are the particular TikTok account that when you have them, when you reach the criteria, when people watch your video, you are going to make money off it. So, and this particular TikTok has different criteria, which I'm going to be showing you guys in this videos. So right here, I'm logged into this my TikTok account, and you can see it has only 1 followers, and this particular TikTok account is a UK TikTok account. I still have US TikTok account, but I just want to use this particular one to actually show you guys how this thing works. So basically, all you need to do is for you to come to this 3 line up here, and you are going to see this TikTok studio right here. And in this TikTok studio, that's where you are going to see this monetization. So I just want to show you guys. So right here you can see this creators reward. Can you see this creators reward right here? This is the monetization that everybody is actually looking for. This is the reason why many people are creating TikTok account, and I'm still going to go to Nigeria TikTok to show you guys the difference. So right here, if you tap on it here, they are going to show you what you need to do in order to join the program. So let's go. My network is a little bit slow, so you just have to exercise patience for me. So right here you can see what they say. They say you are close to joining creators reward program. Collect reward for your 1 minute plus video. What they definitely mean right here is that the videos that you can actually monetize is 1 minute plus video. If you post any video below 1 minute, you cannot make money from it. So your video has to be over 1 minute. Right here they said more reward for quality content. Like if your content has a quality, like a better quality, you stand a chance to make more money. What they call reward is money. So right here they say monetize with other top creators. So definitely you understand what it means, because other top creators are currently making money with this program. So here are the criteria you need to reach in order for you to actually join this program. So which number one is be at least 18 years old. You must be at least 18 years old, right? And the second one is have at least 10,000 followers. You must have 10,000 followers. And right here, the third one is have at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. So what they mean right here is that you must have at least 100,000 views for the last 30 days. All right. So when you have all these things, they are going to tick. right? So if in this particular page I only have one follower, so you can see it don't already read right here that I have one follower. Once I complete 10,000 followers, it's going to tick just the same way this 18 years will have already ticked. And what you can actually do is that you can tell them notify me when I'm eligible. You can tap on it and got it. And once you just reach this criteria, they're going to notify you, and you are going to setting up your account. And once you set up your account, you are going to put a way that you can actually pull out your money. Most of us we use PayPal is actually good, so you can use PayPal to pull out your money, and some people use different payment options, just in case you cannot wait to reach a TikTok criteria, which is the 10,000 followers, 100,000 views. We say monetize TikTok page. What you need to do is to click on the WhatsApp link in the description, and it will take you to my WhatsApp. When you come to WhatsApp, we negotiate. All these TikTok page sell out very quick, so chat me up if you need a monetized TikTok page. So let me take you guys to Nigerian TikTok account so that you see the difference between Nigerian TikTok account and the other TikTok account. So basically, let's go back to the same place, TikTok studio, and boom. So let's come to this monetization. If you look right here, there is nothing like creators reward. So here are the monetization that is available for Nigerian subscription. When people subscribe for a certain content, you make money. And also right here they said life reward, which is what I said earlier. When people gift you, then that's when you make money. So as you can see right here, you cannot see anything like creators reward. Understand? So that creators reward program is the reason why a lot of people are actually creating US TikTok account and UK TikTok account. So another thing I want to actually address right here, that a lot of people are saying that UK TikTok account does not earn that US TikTok account in more than UK TikTok account, which they are totally right. I don't understand how those things work, but like I have US TikTok account and I have UK TikTok account, and I make more money from my US TikTok account than my UK TikTok account. In my UK TikTok account, I might even have over 1 million views, but the earnings will not still meet up with US TikTok account. I have like about 100,000 views. I don't know how it is counted, but basically you hear when they said high quality content, maybe that's the reason why, but that's my own experience. There are some people that their UK account actually pay more than the US account. So but if you ask me which one should I advise you to create, I will advise you to create a US TikTok account. So let me show you guys how you can actually create this US TikTok account without VPN. It's easy. So how are we going to do it? You just need to come open TikTok, so I think I will just need to I don't know how I'm gonna do it right now, but I just need to do, like, say I want to switch to another account. So right here, like, I want to switch to another account, so once you come right here, basically this is, if you want to create a TikTok account, once you enter TikTok, this is exactly how it will look like, right? So what you need to do, basically, if you want to create a US TikTok account, what you need to do is, you can see display the road Nigeria right here. Can you see display the road Nigeria? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, then come right here and look for USA. Look for USA. You can see USA. Select USA. Once you select USA, you can see that this place have already changed to USA, which means that you can see what they, by continuing with an account located in USA, you agree the terms and conditions, blah blah. So what it means that when you create this account, it will automatically be USA account. So what are you going to do next? A lot of people, some people are going to put a number and click on continue. If you put number, put Nigeria number, you are going to complicate it. So the best way to do it is either you just use this continue with Google. This continue with Google, when you tap on it, it's going to take you to your Google account. Just select the particular one that you need, and boom, the account will be created. And once the account create, it will automatically become a US account. So this is exactly how to create a US account. So to some of you guys that have been asking me to make a video about TikTok monetization, okay, I hope this video actually help you. And if there is any other thing you want me to actually address on this monetization, you can actually tell me in the comment section, and I'm going to attend to all of them. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you all. See you in my next video.